Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh. Can I sign a contract that after I die, all my organs will be removed to give to those who need it, all for the sake of Allah and not for the money or fame? And what are the conditions in case if it's halal?
Organ donations after death is an issue of dispute among scholars. The majority of scholars, of contemporary scholars, say that it's permissible. I personally follow the opinion of Sheikh Ibn Uthaymeen, my Sheikh, may Allah have mercy on his soul, and other scholars who say this is not permissible. Why? When I die, I could save 5 or 6 lives with my organs. I said this is a possibility because their life is at the hands of Allah. But let me ask you one simple question. Donating your organs after death. No, let us look at it before you die. Can you donate a kidney, a liver, an eye? Can you do this? So, most likely not, because it will harm me, it will impact me. And most likely not, because it is not yours. Can I chop my hand and sell it for $1 million? No. It's mine. No, it's not yours. You're entrusted with this body. That's why you cannot harm it. You cannot self-inflict harm because it's not yours, it's Allah's. Likewise, after dying, you cannot do anything with your corpse because the Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, كسر عظم الميت ككسره حيا. The breaking of the bone of a corpse, of a dead man, is like breaking the bone of a living. If I take the brother's bone and break it, what's the ruling? He's going to be hurt. Yes, but what's the ruling? It's a crime. We in Islam highly respect the body of a dead Muslim. So we don't open it up. We don't do an autopsy.